This is a guided walkthrough for the Denise level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. The first thing we need to do to finish each one of these levels is to read the objective for the level. So let's cat the mission.txt file. So it says here that the user Zora is screaming Doas. So screaming Doas, what does that mean? So the first thing we want to do is we want to investigate what's in this folder. So there's nothing super relevant in the folder. And another thing we could do is we could figure out whether or not Denise has some sort of special permissions on the system with this command right here, sudo-l. We need to input the password for Denise. And it says, sorry, user Denise might not run sudo on Venus. Huh, all right. So the user Zora is screaming Doas. So this might be a reference to a certain program called Doas on Linux. So let's do a little bit of research. So Linux Doas. So Doas, what is Doas in Linux? So Doas, dedicated application sub-executor, is a program to execute commands as another user. The system administrator can configure it to give specified users privileges to execute specified commands. So basically what Doas is, it's basically an alternative to the sudo command. So you can run commands as another user. So I might ask something like, let's ask ChatGPT. So where is the Doas configuration file in Linux? So it says here, the Doas configuration file in Linux is typically located at this location over here, etc. doas.conf. What is Doas? It's a lightweight, minimal alternative to sudo. So basically it lets users run commands in the context of other users. So let's check out the this file over here. So it says permit Denise as Zora. So this basically means that Denise can run any commands as Zora by using the doas command. But anyways, this is how you would run doas on the system. So it's doas, and then we're going to run this command, which is switch user, as the Zora user. So it's basically, this is like running sudo switch user to Zora. So we're going to run the command, and it's going to ask us for Denise's password. We have Denise's password, so we're just going to copy and paste it. And now we are now Zora because we ran the doas command to switch users over to Zora. So who am I? We are Zora. So we can move into Zora's home directory. And we can take a look at this file over here, which is labeled zorapass.txt. So we're just going to read that file. And this is the password for the next level, which is the Zora level. Well, technically we're here already, but we should probably follow the order. Okay, so let's talk about, actually before that, here are the credentials for the next level. So Zora's password is this, and let's do an after action report over at GitHub. This is level number 46. Okay, so who was our target user? So the target user for this level was the Zora user, and the method of solve for this level is use the doas command to access Zora's password. And the key command in this case was doas su Zora. Okay. All right, everybody. So that was a guided walkthrough for the Denise level, otherwise known as level number 46, from the Venus CTF labs on hackmyvm.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.